Hi friends, Mrs. Skiffington here to take you through your literacy choices for today. Okay, to start in our February, we're using all the February stuff now, February kindergarten handwriting packet. If you go to the J page, we are doing handwriting letter J, which we talked about last week. And you can see we trace the top row and then we make J's in the next row and then we trace some words, and you're going to turn that over and do the same thing for the lowercase. And don't forget, lowercase j goes below the baseline. It's a letter that falls, and we have a dot. That's just a dot up in the between the headline and the midline. So that's your handwriting must-do activity. For your other must-do activities in this packet, I've labeled them so I don't have to go look for them during the video. Finally getting there. Anyway, for the February kindergarten literacy packet, you're going to do beginning sounds K. That is a sort. Okay, so that looks like this. It's still not that easy to find, I guess. So it's got the kangaroo. It's a sort. So what you will do is you will take these pictures down here, see which ones begin with K, like kangaroo, and glue them here. And the ones that don't, you glue here. Just want to see if there's any strange pictures. We have a key, a lamp, a king, a 6, some ketchup. There's a little tomato on there. A robot, a kite, a hat, a koala bear, and a monkey. Okay, so those are the words you're going to be listening for the beginning sound, and see if you have any that sound, have the K sound at the beginning. Okay, also in this packet, another must-do is your monster sight words find for the word find. Sorry, it's because we're finding the word find, so I got a little confused, but you are finding the word find in this little monster sight word activity. So you're looking through these words for this word find. You're going to find. So that's your last must-do activity for today. For your choice activities, the ones that are in this packet, the first one is color the pictures that start with, sorry, I'm moving the camera. The pictures that start with U. So remember the sound of U, because it's a vowel, could have an sound for the short sound, or it could also have an oo or u sound, which is a long sound. Okay, so let's see. We have, I'm sorry, I'm not sure. Oh, uniform, umpire, pig, peas, that's a hat or cap, umbrella, unicycle, unicorn, underwear, where the dog is under the table, and that's a fish. And this staircase, there's an arrow pointing up. So those are these are the pictures. You need to just color the ones that start with either oo, or u. Okay. All right. So that is another of your choice activities. And your another choice activity in here is it looks like this. It's called color an insect each time you read all the sentences. So what you do is, using what you know, there's a lot of sight words in here. Okay, so there's sight words in here, a lot of them, and then there's a word you would try to stretch out those sounds to figure it out, and they do give you a little picture clue here that might help you with that. But try to use those stretching techniques, and you can figure out a lot of words that way. Okay, some of them are a little tricky. That's why they give you the pictures to help out. But this is the one you're doing with went, and every time you read all the sentences, color a bug. So, and yeah. So that is another choice activity. Your last choice activity is about Valentine's Day short vowel sounds, boom cards. Okay, I just looked at this. So how this works is you will be listening to a word and try to figure out what that middle sound is. So it's going to be a vowel. And so they give you the choice of the vowels at the bottom. To hear the word, they give you a picture for you to figure it out. But to hear the word, just click on the speaker and she will say the word for you. Okay, and that way you'll hear it too. That might help. And then the other thing that was a little bit different about this one, it's when you make your choice, it doesn't automatically say yes or no. You're going to click the little blue checkbox to submit your answer. It means that you're going to turn in your answer. So when you click that, it will tell you whether it's right or wrong and then move you on to the next. Then you have to click the arrow to move yourself on to the next one. So it's a little bit more work than most boom cards are, but I just wanted to try that one out to see. So those are the things I noticed. All right, so hope that helps. And yeah, that's it. I'll see you in a little bit for your math choices for today.